everyone, it's Jill, and I wanted to let you know about an event that I have coming up on the spring equinox, which is March 20th this year. It's a Sunday, and this event will be in the evening from 7 to 8:30 p.m. on Zoom, so no matter where you are, you can join me if you choose to. Now, this event is a spring equinox energetic space clearing event for your house. And this will benefit everybody in your house, but only one person needs to attend for the benefits to be divvied out to everybody. And what this space clearing event will help with is we have been through a lot of shit the past couple of years, like straight up. And that energy, emotional and mental energy, can imprint in our house, means that the energy can get stuck. And over time, it accumulates and it can feel heavy, or we can feel stuck or just stagnant energy. And it might show up in different ways, like our sleep is poor, communication within our family is off or not that hot. We could have head fog, lack of motivation, lack of focus. It can kind of show up in lots of different ways, just feeling tired and not happy about being in our house. So I really recommend, this is a great way to step into kind of an introduction to dowsing. And this is a way for us to just give our house a fresh, clean start for spring, which is a great time to do spring house cleaning, by the way. But we're gonna do energetic house cleaning, which is called space clearing. So I hope you'll join me on the spring equinox, and it's only $44 per household / per family, so only one person has to attend, and the benefits will be for everyone. So I hope to see you there. All right, bye for now.